Hello all, today we will prepare a potato cake. We need two shallots, some garlics, jambur and some fresh herbs, what you have, it depends. So we begin with peeling the shallots. I work with a bunch of chives, mint and coriander today. But you can put different things, different herbs you have. It's just to make different taste, okay? Then I peel also my garlic and I take the germ out because it's no good for the digestion. A piece of jambur too, I peel it. And then I chop my shallots. I put it in a big plate. Just like this. Okay. I do the same with my jambur. Ginger or jambur? I don't know. And the garlic the same. For the garlic I crush them under my knife, like you see, and I chop them too. Then I will chop all my herbs, the chive, mint and coriander. Now I will peel my potato, wash them in cold water. And I will rasp them with the big rasp, like you see. If you have a machine, it's better. I still don't have. I try to find one. And I put all this in my bowl without washing them, because if you wash them when they are rasp, they won't make a cake, they just will make like a mishpap. I put some pepper and salt. I turn 30 times and like a teaspoon of salt. I will make two cakes, so I have for 6 to 8 person, 6-7 person with this as accompaniment. So I put some olive oil in the pan and I put my potato inside the two pans. You have to do one piece to put the air out of this cake, and the border also. You see, like I do, just have a look. That's it. So I put my two pans on the fire, and I put it on minimum 2. I put 2 is okay because 1 is really not enough on mine. So like 30 minutes. You cover them, and you let them just 30 minutes without touching anything. After 30 minutes, you have a look, and if you can turn them in your pan. And that's ready. Enjoy your meal. Bye bye.